Good morning, students. I am Sahil Vasist. Today we are discussing the solutions of exercise 12.1 students. So, in previous video we are discussed with the examples of Heron's formula. So now we will started with the question number 1, exercise 12.1 students. So, what is the question? The page number, that is page number 202, students. So a traffic signal board included the school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the side A. Find the area of the signal board using the Heron's formula if the parameter is 180 centimeter. It means a traffic signal board signboard is given, that is we taken as this is a triangle ABC in which a school head is written. Each side is so we can say that the ABC triangle is equilateral triangle, students. Equilateral triangle, and the parameter is 180 centimeter. So if the parameter is 180 centimeter, then you have to find the value of area of triangle. So you will have to written as, that is perimeter of triangle ABC is given as 180 centimeters. So what is the perimeter, students? That is AB plus BC plus CA equals to 180 centimeter. It means the sum of all sides of a triangle is known as perimeter of a triangle. So here the AB, BC, CA are equivalent to A. So put A, 3A equals to 180. So we can say that A equals to 180 upon 3. A equals to, that is 60. If A equals to 60, so all sides become 60 of this triangle, that is 60 what? Centimeter, I think so. 60 centimeter of all sides of a triangle. So by Heron's formula we can finding the area of triangle. So how we find the area of triangle, students? So we have to just finding the value of S, that is S is A plus B plus C upon 2. What is A plus B plus C, students? That is already given. I think that is 180, that is parameter, upon 2, that is 90. So we have to find the area of triangle. So how we find the area of triangle, students? The area of triangle equals to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, students. So we have to put the values of A, B, C over there. So how we put the value of A, B, C and get the value of area of triangle? S is, that is 90, and here S is also 90, A is 60, 90 minus 60 and 90 minus 60, students. So what is the value over there? Remaining values are here under root 90, 30, 30 and 30, students. So the one pair is formed already over there. So we have to split it, the 90 as 30 into 3 into 30 into 30 into 30. So we have two pairs of 30 and one 3 is there. So it means 30 and 30 one pair, and another 30 and 30 and another pair, and 3 is remain single. So the area of triangle is 30 into 30 into, it means the root 3 is single, so we have to left 3 as separate. So we have to write as 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. So this is the area of triangle ABC. So this type equilateral triangle is area by the Heron's formula, or we can say that we have to find the area of triangle by the Heron's formula, same as it is root 3 upon 4, that is A square, that is side square, students. Root 3 upon 4 A square. So how we finding that the area of equilateral triangle is root 4 A square? So we have to first verify it, how to find the area of triangle, prove that the area of triangle. So we have to prove that area of an equilateral triangle equals to root 3 upon 4 into a square. So how we solve that the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 a square. So first we have to find the area of A, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. In an equilateral triangle, all the sides A, B, C are same. So we can say that A is A, B is A and C is also A upon 2. That is 3A upon 2. This is the value of S, student. So the area of triangle, it means that is under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we have to put the value of S, that is 3A upon 2, bracket S is written as 3A upon 2 minus A upon 1, that is 3A upon 2 minus A upon 1, that is 3A upon 2 minus A upon 1. So we have to solve it out and get the value of this, that is 3 upon A into. So if we solve it out, 3A minus A upon 2, we get, I think, A upon 2. How are we getting A upon 2? Because 3A is there, minus 2A upon 2, that is LCM. Same as it is 3A minus 2A upon 2, same as it is 3A minus 2A upon 2. So we are 3A upon 2, A upon 2, A upon 2 and remaining A upon 2 is there. So how we solve these values? So just form the pairs. So how we form the pair, students? In under root 3 remains same. A is a one pair, second A is form one pair, 2 and 2 one pair and 2 and 2 same other pair. So A is there, A is there 1A, 2 is there, A 2 is there, or root 3 remains root 3. So here 3 into A into A, that is A square, or 4, that is root 3. So we can say that area of triangle root 3 upon 4 A square. A is known as side of a equilateral triangle. So by the Heron's formula we get the value of area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 upon 4 A square. So how we solve these another type of questions over there? So we are taking the question number second. Where the question number second? What is the question number second, students? The question number second is a triangular sides walls of a flyover has been used for advertisements. The sides of a walls are 122 centimeter, 22 meter, 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So a triangle is there, that is the three sides 122 meter, 120 meter and 22 meter. So three sides of a triangle is given. So the advertisement yielded earning as 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So the costing is given as per meter square. So we have to find the area of the triangle. How we know that we have to find the area of triangle? Because in this the costing is given as per meter square. So the meter square is in for the area. So first of all we have to find the area of the triangle. So what is the area of triangle? We just consider as A, question number 2, we just consider as A equals to 122 meter, B equals to 120 meter, C equals to 22 meters. So we have to find the value of S, that is A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 122 120 plus 22 meter upon 2. So if we edit it out, 2024, 224 or 26, that is 1 or 2, 264 upon 2. If we get it out, that is, if we simplify it, that is 132. So area of triangle, that is area of triangle ABC equals to, that is under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we have to solve it out, that is S is equals to 132 minus 122, 132 minus 120 and 132 minus 22. So if we here, that 132 into 10, 132 into 120 into 12, 132 minus 22, that is 110. So if we solve it out, if the 132 is there, that is 11 into 12. 132, that is 11 into 2. Why we factorize 132 as 11 into 12? We cannot, why we can't factorize this 2 into 2 into 2 format? So because the 112 is there, so here we have to factorize this 11 into 10. So all factors are there, 2 11s are there, 2 12s are there, 2 10s are there. Nothing is separate left over there, that is 11 into 12 into 10. So 1302 meters square is the area of triangle ABC. So the area of triangle ABC is given as 132 meters square. Another calculation is needed. What is the calculation of this? So we are just written as 132 meters square is the area of the triangle ABC. So after that, the another value is given, another calculation is left. So what is the calculation? What calculation left? Because the advertisement yield on earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Okay, the 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. The company had for 3 months. So the costing of you have to write as the costing of sorry students, the costing of advertisement for 12 months, that is 5,000 rupees. So we need to find the costing of advertisement for 1 month, that is 5,000 upon costing of advertisement for 12 months for 1 meter square. 12 months, 1 month for 1 meter square, that is 5,000 upon 12. Okay students, so we need to find the costing of advertisement for 3 months for 1 meter square, that is 5,000 upon 12 into 3. 3 is neglected with 4, that is 5,000 upon 4 is there. So we need to find the costing of advertisement for 3 months for 1320 meters square, that is 5,000 upon 4 into 1320. If we solve it out and get the value of meter square in rupees, if we solve it out, 4 3s are 12 and 1 is a 4 3s are 12, that is 0 is remaining. So 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, that is 1 2 3 4 zeros are there. 5 3s are 15, 1 5 3s are 15, 1 16, 1 6 5 0 rupees is the answer of that question. So in this question, that is we required to find the value of the costing of for the 3 months for the this holding. So we have to just write down the costing for the of advertisement for 12 months for 1 meter square, that is 5,000 rupees. The costing of advertisement 1 month, that is 5,000 upon 12. The costing of the 3 months for 1 meter square is 5,000 upon 12 into 3, that is 5,000 upon 4. The costing of advertisement for 3 months for 1320 meter square. So because we have to find the costing of this triangle, this area, so that is 5,000 upon 4 into 1320. If we neglect it, that is 1,165. 4 times 0 is the your rupees answers. We are just done with the question number 1 and 2. Now we are just started with the question number 3. 3, 4, 5 questions are remaining. So if the questions are remaining over there, so third question is, there is a slide in a park. One of its wall has been painted in some color with the message "Keep the park green and clean." That's the seen a question. If the sides of the walls are 15, 11 and 6, find the area painted in colors. I think you have to easily find the value, or just I am explaining it. Question number 3 over there. The question number 3, that is the sides of a triangles are given. That is, what are the sides? What is the sides of a triangle, students? The sides of a triangle is given in this. That is A, B, C. That is 11 meter. That is 6 meter. Or that is 15 meters. So we have to find the area of the painted in color. So we have to find the here value of S. What is the value of S, students? The value of S is A plus B plus C upon 2. That is A plus B plus C are given already. The 15 plus 11 plus 6 upon 2. That is 6 or 5, 11 or 2, 1. That is 3. 32 upon 1. That is 16. So we have to find the area of the triangle. That is, area of triangle ABC equals to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Under root, that is, S is 16, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6. So instead of area of triangle ABC, we have to written as the area of the painted area required for painting in a wall, painting on a wall. So 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. So if we factorize it, the 16 is written as 4 into 4. 1 is 1. The 5 we written as 10 we written as 5 into 2. The 2 4s are there, 2 5s are there. The 4 into 5 into root 2. So we have to the 5 4s are 20. Root 2, that is meter square, is the area required to finding the to painting the colors on a wall. So now we are coming for the question number 4. Question number 4 is, we have to solve the question number 4, students. The finding the area of triangle of the sides, which are 18, 10 and the parameter is given as, that is 42. Or so we can write as, this is 18, this is 10, this is A, or although so that is given as the perimeter is given as, that is 42 centimeter. If the parameter is given as 42 centimeters, so the parameter is A plus B plus C, that is 42. Here the A is given as not given, 10 equals to 42 students. So here that is A plus 38 equals to 42. So A equals to 42 minus 38, that is A equals to 4. If A equals to 4, that is A equals to 4. centimeters. So easily you have to find the area of triangle. How we find the area of triangle? So first we have to finding the value of s. So what is the value of s, students? S is that a plus b plus c upon 2, students. So a plus b plus c is 42 upon 2, that is 21, students. So s is equals to 21. So area of triangle ABC equals to under root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c, student. So we have to write the value of s, that is 21 minus 4, 21 minus 18, and 21 minus 10. So now we are written as 21. So 21 minus 4, if we written as 21 minus 4, that is 17. Here we written as 18, 21 minus 18, that is 3. Here we written as 11, students. So for I think we have to first we check the questions. I think 18, 10 and 42. I think we are wrong here, because the 18 and 10 we are just writing as 28, because we have to write as 38. That is 28 is there, that is the value 14. So a value is 14 over there. So we have to written as a equals to 14. This is our mistake, students. So I think this is the mistake are done with yours also, that is 18 plus 10, 38. 42 minus 28, that is 14, not 4. 42 minus 28, that is 14. Okay, that is 14 over there, that is 21 into 14, that is 7. Here we written as 3. I think 3 is there. I think 3 is there. And here it is written as 11, students. So 21 we written as 7 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 11, or we written as 7 at 2 times, 3 as 2 times pairs, and 11 is 1. So 7 into 3 into 11, that is 21 root 11 centimeter square. It's your area of triangle ABC. So now we started with the exercise with the question number 5. That is what is the question number 5, students? The question number 5 is important. I think this type of questions are coming in your board exam. So we are just starting with the questions. That is question number 5. What is the question number 5, students? The ratio is given as, that is A ratio, B ratio, C is given as 12 ratio 17 ratio 25, and the perimeter is given as, that is 540 centimeter. So if the given as 540 centimeter, so A plus, we know that if the A equals to 12x, B equals to 17x, C equals to 25x. Why we written as x over there along with the ABC? For the ABC, because along with the 12, 17 and 25, because if the ratio is given and then you have to convert in a values, then we have to multiply the constant term with the variable, with the values. So the parameter is given, though we know that the A plus B plus C is given as 540. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x equals to 540. I think it is given. So 12, 17 or 5, that is we written as 54x equals to 540. It means x equals to 540 upon 54, that is 10. If the x is 10, then A equals to 12x, it means 12 into 10, that is 120 over there. If the B equals to 17x, it means 17 into 10, that is 170 over there. That is 25x, it means 25 into 10, that is 250 centimeter is given. So now we have to find the area of the triangle. So how we find the area of triangle? So I think you understood, students, the AB ratios are given. So just we have to convert the ratio into values. You have to multiply a constant term over there, 12x, 17x, 25x. A plus B plus C equals to 540. Values are given, x equals to 10. A, B, C are the value of ABC. So now we are just finding the value of area of triangle ABC. So how we try area of the triangle? How we find the area of triangle? Because the A is given as 120, B is written as 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. So 170 and C is equals to 250 over there. So we have to find the value of S, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. That is already given the parameter. If we subtract it, simplify it, 2 to the 4, 2 7 is 14, that is 270 is there. The area of triangle, it means under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C is there. That is under root S is equals to 270 bracket 270 minus 120, that is 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250, students. So now what is the remaining over there, students? That is 270 is remaining. If we subtracted it, 150 is remaining. Here if we subtracted it, 100. Here we subtracted it, that is 20, students. So we have to simplify it, that is here 9 into 3 into 10. Here we simplify it, 5 into 3 into 10. Here we simplify it, 10 into 10. Here we simplify it, 2 into 10. So 9 we written as 3 into 3. 3 we written as 3. Here 3 we written as 3. So this all 3 done. I think 5 is remaining. 5 is over there. That is 5. 2 is over there. 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens are there. 1 3 4 and 5, students. So we have to we are just thinking over there, one pair is complete. Here one pair is complete. Here the single pair is there. So we have to convert 5 into 10. 10. Here 10. The 5 times 10s are there, so are converted to 6 times, because 5 into 10, 10, this 3. So 3 into 3 into 1, 10 into 10 into 10. So 9000, what is centimeter square? It's your answer of this question. I think we are done with that. Now I hope so you all are understood. So be safe at home, and you have to do these homework on a fair notebook. Thank you, students.